This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming wire gauge and connector type. This prevents loose joints. Strip about 1/2 inch of insulation, then twist the strands tightly so they feed easily. Once done, insert the conductor fully into the connector barrel until the insulation meets the rim. Make sure to use a matched crimper die for that connector size. Improper dies deform the barrel and create high resistance. You should feel a slight stop when insertion is correct, so you know you're ready to crimp. You position the connector barrel in the crimper's marked jaw, centering it so the tool compresses the metal evenly. Squeeze in 2 deliberate stages, a firm hold to set the strands, then a full compression to form a secure mechanical bond. Once released, inspect the crimp for uniform deformation and no exposed strands. Uneven crimping signals misalignment or wrong tool. Make sure to add heat shrink tubing over the joint for strain relief. Heat until snug, but avoid overheating the connector. Now you verify electrical and mechanical integrity. Use a multimeter to confirm continuity and low resistance, then give a firm tug to ensure the wire doesn't slip. If you detect high resistance, intermittent contact, or a loose pull test, stop, remove the connector, cut past the damaged area, restrip, and use a new terminal. Once satisfied, apply final heat shrink for insulation and strain relief. Troubleshooting tip: persistent issues usually mean wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.